Ta-da! Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Harmonic TV, specifically Harmonic Jungles. So I already covered the Dorian and the Frisian scale, and today we'll be diving into the Lydian scale, helping you to incorporate it into your melodies and harmonies. The Lydian scale is essentially a major scale with its fourth degree raised by a semitone. So imagine a C major scale, raise that F to an F sharp, and that gives us our C Lydian scale. The fun and also the key characteristic of the Lydian is the raised fourth degree. The F sharp, which combined with other pitches in the scale, creates a bright and a majestic sound. So if you want to make melodies in Lydian, make sure to emphasize this F sharp and its connection to the root, which is C. And also a very good way to learn modes and to get the feelings of them in your ear is to just play them on your instrument and just improvise over them. But other than that, let's check out some melodies in the Lydian mode. Okay, here's something crucial to consider. The Lydian scale has a natural tendency to shift towards major sounds. I mean like the major scales. And if you are not careful, it will turn into a G major scale. And well, by being careful, I'm talking about the combination of pitches. For example, the G, C, D, which are our typical first, fourth, and fifth degree in a major scale, they will shift our sound to G major scale. If you're still here and watching this video, it would really help me out if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And my goal is to upload up to 4 videos per month, tutorials, and also music stuff, everything about music. So stay tuned. All right, now let's discuss chords. As you know from previous videos, modal scales have primary and secondary chords. At least that's how we are talking about them. If you're new to these terms, please do revisit these other videos that are already posted for a deeper understanding and also to check the primary and secondary chords of other modes. And now let's make some chords over our C Lydian scale. So now that we have our chords, of course, and obviously the C major built on the first degree is our primary chord. But we should also look for chords that incorporate the distinctive F sharp. Take a moment to think about it or just pause the video to find these chords yourself. If you guess the chords built on the second and the seventh degree, you are correct. You might be wondering about the F diminished chord, and which, I mean, it's true, it also has an F sharp. However, due to the nature of any diminished chord that wants to get resolved and also its color sounding quite like classical harmony, it's best to avoid it. I mean, at least avoid it until you really grasp this primary and secondary chords. So you can create the main and the base color of these modes. Then you can use these diminished chords, of course, as you wish. But just in case, if you ever wanted to use these diminished chords in this mode and other modes, for example, in this one, make sure that it doesn't resolve to a G major chord, since it takes away the bright, majestic modal color of the Lydian scale. And of course, as usual, besides the primary chords and the diminished chord, the rest are considered secondary chords, and they add color and tension to your music. So in our case, C major, D major, and B minor are primary, while E minor, G major, and A minor are secondary. And now that we know about the triads, let's explore some seventh chords. Seventh chords built on the degrees 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7 can sound fantastic. However, I would avoid the seventh chord built up from the second degree of the scale, which currently is a D dominant seventh chord. And it wants to resolve, and it also really sound like classical music-y. You know, that's why I said it's really nice to improvise to get the feel out of it. Like immediately when you play the dominant seventh chord, it really takes you back to like Mozart or Beethoven, but we don't want that. So it's better not to use them, or to really be careful when you are using dominant seventh chords. In the next episode, we will tackle the Lydian mode, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And I also have something special for you guys planned, but that's going to be where we are at 1,000 subscribers, which we're getting there. So please do hit that subscribe button, and you can already see the Easter egg up here that every now and then I'm putting it. Okay, but other than that, yeah. Hope to see you in the next video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section, and see you soon.